Y'all, this is giving. I don't know what it's giving, but it's giving me very grown and sexy. I don't know, like really grown and sexy vibe. I love it. Hey guys, what's up? It's Bree. Welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, we're gonna be putting on this closure wig. This wig is from wig, and this is a closure wig, you guys. It is super easy. It's super long. I think this is like a 30-inch, and it is a 6x6, which I love. If you guys do decide, I have powder all over my hand. If you guys do decide to get a closure wig and you want your closure wig to look super natural, I recommend that you get a 6x6 because the part is super long and it looks like a frontal. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my closure wig. This is very pretty. I love this hair. The hair is super soft, it's super long. So right now I'm just hot combing it. Now with this wig, I do feel like it's a little big, so I probably will have to add a band to it just so it can fit more like snug to my head, which is easy. It's an easy fix. I'll just add a band so it can fit super flat. When your wig is a little too big, add you an elastic band, girl, and it'll fit super flat. But as you guys can see, I'm just flattening my hair out. I haven't tweezed this hairline yet, like I haven't plucked it. So this is like how it looks when all I did was just bleach the knots a little bit. I didn't even bleach them all that good. I only kept the bleach on for a couple of minutes. I should have kept it on longer, and I just added a little like lace tint on the lace. But you can add a little of your foundation, but I didn't add any foundation yet. So right now I'm just making sure that I'm getting this hair as flat as possible. So you want to make sure that you're going this way when you're flattening it out, like this. And then the back side, you want to make sure you're pushing it back, if you guys get what I'm saying. Like layers. It should be like 3 sections, just so you can get your back as flat, because that's what gives it away. When your back is too humpy from the side and stuff, that's when you can tell that your wig is a closure wig. And we want to make sure that it's really flat in the back. Okay, how do you guys like my background? This lamp is gonna move. I just have it right there for now, but it's gonna move. I have so much to do with this room, but I love my little closet system. It's so cute. But yeah, I'm just making sure that everything is super flat. Okay, so now that I got that part done, I'm gonna go ahead and pin the front part of my hair backwards to the back. So I'm gonna go take some little clips, because I want this to be out the way when I do cut the lace off. I want to make sure that everything is out the way. I'm going to cut it off in a zigzag motion. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That looks really nice. Now mind you guys, I still have to pluck the hairline a little bit, but when it comes to my closure wigs, I've made a mistake in the past when I over plucked it, because I plucked it like it was a frontal, but I didn't pluck it like it was a closure. And sometimes when you pluck it too much in the front, the side looks too bulky. So I'm gonna just take my time, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. I can't see y'all. This closure is like bomb.com. Oh my gosh, so this is how the hairline look. See, if I would have had an elastic band on, I didn't even have to glue this down. Like if I would have had it like a little bit more snug. It's snug, but I want it to be more snug. So, oh yeah, that looks really good. So I'm gonna pluck it, but I think I'm gonna glue it down first. Should I glue it down before I pluck it? So you guys, before I glue it, I'm gonna just section out where I want my baby edges at. And I'm just gonna take the hot comb and push the hair back a little bit. So that's where the track ends at, right there. So I think I wanna have a baby edge right here. But of course, nice and thin. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and excuse the makeup in my nails, y'all. Y'all know every time I do wig reviews, I always have makeup in my nails. Okay, so I'm gonna section out this side as well. About that much. And of course, it's not gonna be this thick. I just need to know. I'm really trying to lay this closure wig, like really slay it. Cause I like closure wigs, but I never grab them much. So this time, I know a lot of people who wear closure wigs and they slay them. So I really wanna like take my time with this closure wig and really try to slay it, because I have things coming up, y'all. So I literally use Got To Be in Boho Mix. It look a little white around the hairline because it's a little crusty right now, but I'm gonna do like 3 layers of Got To Be around the hairline, and then I'm gonna blow dry it and I'm gonna tie it down. So I did not use any glue for this, and it looks so good. So I'm gonna blow dry it on like a cool type of setting, and then I'm gonna tie it down for about 15 minutes while so I did go ahead and just put some baby hair right here and baby hair. I only wanted 2 baby hair. All I did was cut them short, and I did let them be a little thicker than normal since I'm not having baby hair all the way around. But I kind of like them like that, y'all. Yeah, I could have put a small baby hair right in the middle, but I kind of wanted to go for that nice, sleek, clean look. I'm going to step back so you guys can see how long this hair is. Looks so pretty. It's so easy to do. I want it to be like bone straight. Y'all, so here is the hair. Like I said, this is a 6x6 closure wig. I did over bleach the part a little bit, so I'm gonna just take some mascara and clean it up. I didn't over bleach it a lot, just a little bit. That's good enough. And I barely pluck this hairline, y'all. I probably can pluck it a little more, but just so it can look a little bit more natural in the front. But I'm not gonna do that tonight. I just wanted to come and show y'all how the hair looks. And it is 30 inches. Really long and full. So you guys, make sure you check them out. I'll leave the link to this hair down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Love you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.